Hello everyone and welcome to Module 2 of Lesson 9. In the previous module, we covered the topic of estimating project costs. Today we'll delve into the crucial process of determining the project budget. Understanding how to accurately set a project budget is key to financial success and project management effectiveness. A project budget is a comprehensive financial plan that outlines the expected costs associated with the project, covering all phases and activities. Example, for a construction project, the budget includes costs for materials, labor, equipment, permits, and contingencies. The primary purpose of a project budget is to provide a financial framework for the project, ensuring that all necessary expenses are planned and tracked to keep the project financially viable. Scenario: imagine a project manager planning a new software development project. The budget ensures that all costs are anticipated and accounted for, enabling effective financial oversight. Establishing a clear project budget is foundational for effective project management, providing a roadmap for financial planning and cost control throughout the project lifecycle. Determining the project budget is vital for several reasons. Let's explore its importance across different aspects. Financial planning and control. To create a roadmap for financial management, ensuring the project is feasible and sustainable. Involves detailing all expected costs, including materials, labor, and contingencies. Provides a clear financial overview, aiding in identifying potential financial risks and managing cash flow effectively. Scenario: in a healthcare project, financial planning ensures all costs, from equipment procurement to staff salaries, are accounted for, helping to prevent budget overruns. Resource allocation. To allocate resources efficiently and effectively, ensuring that all project activities are adequately funded. Assign costs to specific tasks and activities based on their requirements and priorities. Optimizes the use of resources, preventing overallocation or underutilization. Scenario: for a marketing campaign, resource allocation ensures funds are distributed across various channels like social media, print, and events, optimizing the campaign's effectiveness. Cost control. Establishing cost baselines against which actual expenditures can be measured. Regularly tracking expenses to identify variances from the budget. To maintain financial discipline, ensuring the project remains within budget and financial targets are met. Scenario: in a construction project, cost control involves comparing actual spending on materials and labor against the budget to avoid overspending. Stakeholder management. Providing a clear and detailed financial plan to stakeholders. Holding the project team responsible for managing the budget. Building confidence among stakeholders by demonstrating effective financial planning and management. Scenario: for an NGO project, maintaining a transparent budget fosters trust with donors and beneficiaries, ensuring funds are used effectively for intended purposes. Determining the project budget is crucial for effective financial planning, efficient resource allocation, stringent cost control, and maintaining stakeholder trust. It sets the foundation for successful project execution. Let's walk through the key steps involved in determining a project budget. Review cost estimation. Begin by reviewing the cost estimates for all project activities, ensuring they are accurate and comprehensive. Scenario: for a product launch, review estimates for market research, production, and marketing to ensure all potential costs are accounted for. Identify funding sources. Determine the sources of funding for the project, such as internal budgets, external funding, or loans. Scenario: a non-profit project might rely on grants, donations, and fundraising activities to secure necessary funds. Allocate costs to project activities. Distribute the total budget across different project activities based on their requirements and priorities. Scenario: in a construction project, allocate costs to activities like site preparation, material procurement, and labor. Consider contingency reserves. Allocate funds for unforeseen expenses and risks to ensure financial stability in case of unexpected costs. Scenario: in an IT project, set aside a contingency budget for potential technical issues or additional resources. Obtain budget approval. Present the budget to key stakeholders for review and approval, ensuring it aligns with project goals and financial constraints. Scenario: for a new business venture, seek approval from investors and senior management for the proposed budget. Document the project budget. Create detailed budget documentation, including all estimates, allocations, and assumptions, to provide a clear financial roadmap. Scenario: in a government project, document the budget to ensure transparency and accountability to the public and oversight bodies. By following these steps, you can develop a robust project budget that supports financial planning, resource allocation, and cost control, laying the groundwork for successful project execution. Various tools and techniques can aid in determining the project budget. Let's explore some of the most effective ones. Cost aggregation. Summing up the estimated costs for individual project activities to determine the total project budget. Use spreadsheets or financial software to aggregate costs. Provides a clear and comprehensive view of total project costs. Scenario: in an event management project, aggregate costs for venue, catering, marketing, and logistics to form the overall budget. Cost-benefit analysis. Evaluating the financial benefits and costs of the project to determine its feasibility and prioritize expenditures. Useful for assessing the financial viability of project activities. Helps in making informed decisions about which activities to fund based on their financial returns. Scenario: for a new product development project, use cost-benefit analysis to evaluate the potential market value versus development costs. Reserve analysis. Identifying and allocating funds for potential risks and unforeseen expenses. Assess risks and determine appropriate reserve amounts. Ensures financial stability and readiness to handle unexpected costs. Scenario: in a research project, allocate reserves for potential delays or additional research requirements. Historical data. Using data from past projects to inform and refine current project budget estimates. Provides a basis for accurate cost estimation based on real-world data. Helps in identifying typical cost patterns and potential cost-saving opportunities. Scenario: in a construction project, use historical cost data from similar projects to estimate the current project's budget more accurately. Utilizing these tools and techniques helps in creating a well-founded project budget that is accurate, comprehensive, and resilient to uncertainties. To conclude, determining the project budget is a critical task that involves meticulous planning and analysis. It is essential for financial planning, effective resource allocation, cost control, and maintaining stakeholder trust. By leveraging various tools and techniques, you can create a robust budget that sets the foundation for project success. Significance: accurate budgeting is vital for the financial health and success of the project. Benefits: ensures effective resource management, cost control, and stakeholder confidence. Outcomes: leads to successful project execution and achievement of project goals. Let's apply these principles to our projects to achieve effective financial management and ensure successful project outcomes. Thank you for your time, and we will see you in Module 3 of the Lesson 9. Also, thank you for the support. Like and subscribe to the channel.